private jet TBA. Now who are Benuma you resign?
I'll resign.
And it's a mirror of justice and one account. Oh, no, mirror of justice, no just a one intrusion and said the quote I found. Oh, Ablakwa. Ah, foreign affairs minister Ablakwa. No, I can't do it. Ablakwa saw a picking forms. We could see a booking be. What I say, what we picking booking forms. I'm a baby the nurse. Now, many babies the nurse. Many baby, Eddie Ablakwa. Mahama akofa private jet etu kwai or ko Japan and Singapore. Ama manfo we say Ablakwa kwa is Ablakwa. Da bay and be resign. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say didi mo. Obe like video no that mo subscribe button so be click notification and the latest updates. Na be chere wa adwen dia mame. E wo comment section mess was obaswa. No achi video from say enya bi ahye. Etina manfo because Penyah Ablakwa we say Mahama the private jet be etu kwai be me nkyere mu. No me ka say me ma hwe me ma. Ah saga member papa na mabaso ye betre nsemu enti no a awia be 4 to 5 no hu say city newsroom for ameki post e wo mo page so or mo website so no mo kire say Mahama is embarking on a trip just or make journey journey or go 2 countries na country we dey cause Japan owia no at was called Singapore enti later through the corridors of gossip Adam tell say jet corner Mahama e board the area called trip no a private jet MB AEP that jet no and I'm saying say that jet ikra no say e to bia everyone e bia no o spend wa board that particular jet no everyone e bia no e be ready $15,000 and amotia and I'm say e country bia no so and yet let's do some simple calculation obedi kai akọ Japan e from Ghana to Japan no approximately 26 hours into 26 near multiply the cost per hour in 26 times 15,000 o two free Accra e kodru Japan honom na eno nko a obebo ho ka $390,000 o we are from Japan to Singapore so eno so 7 hours na fe waba 7 times 15,000 what I say eno so ebe maye $105,000 e ta fe so Korea Singapore honom na say afi obeba back to Ghana and from Singapore straight to Ghana so no 19 hours. It means that so I'm so multiply 19 times $15,000. Now eno na my $285,000. It have yen kan me say from Accra to Japan, from Japan to Singapore, and then from Singapore back to Ghana. After 285,000 plus 105,000 plus 390,000. It no crab by $780,000. It way Oko jina ye ni nyina no hours nkan we are just hours on the plane. These are just the hours on the plane. Ana private just all rent our rent 80 until so about oko 3 days ya. 83 days 72 hours. In the case they multiply by 15 times won say ye wu anisa. What I say? Let's say eka wom no anya kakuma is all ye breaks no cry free ma. Hours no oko di or cost spending or man bia mu no every free mu kra na ko nyina e be read ban account mu. Free man. Even the hours spent on the plane crown, a whole cost from Accra to Japan, from Japan to Singapore, and from Singapore back to Accra. And no one $780,000. There's any sika kuma. Anabekaya out of nowhere. 2022 airborne. I go for the make trip. Or make it trip. I say, hey, I go for the rented private jet. I'm a old galley will be a guyaso.
Ade mama yenya so what President Mahama ma won say commercial flight no fire na ma won say commercial flight and no fire na mo kra grow me this too much ade
me nim no bakro won say Akufo-Addo gina plane mu gare but ado ya be statement e da Ghana for numa end is for no eka say Akufo-Addo dwale gu yeso say the lady can be say Akufo-Addo dwale gu yeso me nim bia bia Akufo-Addo ehun suo every plane mu so gu Ghana e so gu lady we so a o ka bi all because the party member account to the trimu and they didn't trimu them and abeka so Ablakwa e go for make journey kitu abi a Ablakwa be chire trimu oh okoye no oboka say ubusi Ablakwa or protect public purse what I say obo by the my mirror of justice or protect public purse and Ablakwa kura say abeka say e go 24 election e busi question say no okay say Mahama ba na say Mahama so e be fa private jet here Ablakwa what will be your take on that Ablakwa boldly said obe resign should something like that happen.
and do the same thing.
NDC banana pa wodi animu no kofi fasa private jet TBA. Now who are benuma you resign?
I'll resign. Because what
may resign?
What may resign? Why shall I stay there? May resign because the mayor is on principle and yet personal. And yes, say I may time President Akufo-Addo and as I mean President Akufo-Addo. It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
Hey, Sabrina, education minister na oda olem kwise mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign. I mean, my resigning free appointments committee of parliament.
And the appointment committee no say you allowance more kwa na mo jeje and I bibi wo baby a minimum.
Appointments committee which a committee.
Should something like that happen, Obe resign? Obe resign. It is a question for Busa Ablakwa and say allegedly Mahama is on a trip to 2 nations and on the private jet and Ekoye. Ablakwa, are you going to resign? Na Dabei and Ablakwa Obe resign.
But when your youth is so kujitra, so reckless, and Yasi Toby Diama Omono, he kicked against it. Emma bien and look I say, see the plane crowd for private area. And now that's what the conscience is there.
Was there MPP transparent when it came to
transparency?
Presidential jet. Because at the time, no could you to raise our concerns about say Penny, not done or chat up to the question was MPP are buying it to me Ghana for said this is the state of the presidential jet and into Penny.
I did not follow parliamentary discourse. Was it a luxury? It wasn't luxury. It was a necessity. One take discourse of course so. Any aboni pa.
At the time concern by and say even though man pena dan ko kufa no use na Liberian president ebeji use. So that was the question na
Meba they twisted it. And then Osisa or they say defense minister deputy. At the time I listened to him, at the end of the year it's fit for purpose. If we are seeing military jetta papa Ghana toso 3. I tell you 10 years na fe de all can say papa yem fanko. Okuje to dia okay. And I buy on in place or the 2 kwan. Na me mmoso wa ha me serialize it. Nyala na egule gon ho. And I didn't trust us and so actually di o ma good say yes ah. Na ya no wo so MPP. And ato ahoye nom Professor Miss Mon be fa mo. And I call na ko kan CJ ho and na odi ntra and na wasan e dia be we say na ne nsem a egu onom ene ne ono aka ya say I entangle no if you were to have conscience me at least I've demonstrated to the world and the Ghana say lotteries because of my church me.
All right, Abusiafanya Mishra Bibia. So Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa, what are you waiting for to resign? You said it time without number that whenever the NDC, your party, comes to power, there's no way you allow President John Dramani Mahama. There's no way you, as an aviation expert, that you have been under Nana Akufo-Addo, that you were the one have to advise the president. You were the one. You were the spokesperson for the aviation this ministry in this country. That you speak to the president on how he should travel. Today, John Dramani Mahama is flying in a private jet, more expensive times 17 of what Nana Akufo-Addo took, and you are quiet. You are quiet. Mr. Ablakwa, are you quiet in this country? Leave your position. Be a gentleman. Be a man of your words. If you don't do this, meaning that you fool Ghanaians, you are telling Ghanaians they don't have sense. If you, Ablakwa, you didn't resign from your position, meaning that you are telling Ghanaians that they are fools. That is why you can see any nonsense in opposition, and when you come, you do the opposite. Mr. Ablakwa, resign your position. Simple as ABCD. We are not asking for too much. We are just asking you the promise that you made to the people of Ghana. The promise that you've made to us. This is what we are asking you. Say, resign. Abusiafo, we yɛn papa Okujato Ablakwa wɔ emra ye interview no about the private jets na all kase Nana Akufo-Addo wakɔ han private jets or the sika puduo Ghana sika puduo ewuram say Ghana sika we enye ade a ye friend say we enye first time na ya interview na okasa asem no baby so mo interview no e ma ne kan say aeroplane ni engine ya miensa nti se ba akokora asɛe a minu na aka no be ya adwuma host no epia no ka chen sanka won twe na no nsan o se dabi biara da ye won panyimfo bi wo kurodua mu ha omo de jet no private jet no eye politics me wana na Akufo-Addo no offer commercial flight o no offer commercial flight you be a fabi no na papa we fabi until say ye papa hope siando ye ma ye beti ase say at a point krare na Akufo-Addo ni maybe crab aeroplane mu we nyina na NDC fo nim na so no mo de ye politics omo kan ye ma ne Ghana fo tim ama enne aba ye kokoto ye no e ka ho bi na NDC enya the majority enya aba bebre ana MPP wo position santro we ya bi na me bi sa me ho se na Captain Smart we he if so kan bi me bi sa me ho se na papa na ye friend Kpebu no se Martin Kpebu se wanya o ye lawyer no we he because ankofo we nyina mo kan bi say na do din poto se na do odware wo wiem you papa Okujato mpo de wo kan say nsuo to a ye nhwe ne yie because nsuo to na ye so bia wa nhwe na ya so na do Johnson me de bia me kan say eya mi do fa ba bi ne eya mi de pa say NDC wini ye e say Nyankopon onye na ade kwa na Nyankopon pese NDC ba na o expose wo mo ntro nyema mo ye propaganda ni nyina Nyankopon pese o do to say like o hwe ne o mo so na yehu say NDC propagandist party NDC if anything party a wo ba atro na omo de ba ene the NDC for kan opposition nyina omo di tro ni nyina ene adedi nti de ba bio no meka Nana Akufo-Addo oni ba wo mia nyame ahyira sankofo mienu we nyame ahyira won na Nyankopon be koso ahyira wo mo e was by now anka ye papa Okujato a friend ho honorable no e was anka ba na anka wa ye the honorable thing anka wa resign yo because ono na num ton say omo ba na wo mo de omo use private jet a obe resign ye papa John Dramani Mahama ba ya na o use ne bra private jets sika puduo ene sika ye bosika ye papa John Dramani Mahama o de atukwan ko Japan ene Singapore wo be dwiriw nanso nkanya hwio ankanya hweye sanka ye bo president ne ho ban president sanka ye bo ne ho ban nti kanya de ankanya bone kora ankanya bone ne mom omwo opposition ne omo kafa na Akufo-Addo president of the land we say ye bo ne ho ban papa we anka okotena aeroplane mu Ghana ye aeroplane anka ekoku no na nyame di ne ho afofie na nyina na NDC for nim na so omo de ye pen saying omo de ye campaign against MPP and asanya ye papa John Dramani kan ye no ye Ghana for ye mu bi wo ya adwen mu ye hare na ye was short memory ntino ye di NDC for propaganda echi ekoto abama wo ene ye hwe Ghana ye Ghana ye ene it is our journalists for no mo we he omo kasa tie na Akufo-Addo ni private jet no where are they omo we he they should come out and no nyina come no atomo omo asi omo tira so no ma fere me say Ghana say yankopana na do yanhyeda asofo no man hyeda ankopana na do ni ba wo mia chewa ne ebesisi wo Ghana no ano oden sa asofo bi na bodwiku ha say odwan no sofo bi na me mmodini na bodwiku ha say odwan sofo a woni asori dan tim onenam show bisase yesem kwama amanfo sere no owe he papa we ebe kan ye to the point say obodua egu sam bodua ene omunyina omo we omutumi nkasa sofo odro owe he muntie ye twen be kasa where are you people won muna ma say Christosum no ma say Christosum ma tutu amanfo bebre sintidua e wo man mu ma Christosum aye nkwase asem Nyankopon Yesu bro bebre wa asem bia no so na asofo a muti kromu a mu de mo ka no kore mo de mo maye must say what my Ghana would entro ade mu hu ye e just hear say na masum kamodi anka ye nimsan kamoye nyame asofo kamodi anka mo nkwa one side o akampo wo fa bia wo de as a professional ne de o acte say we professional mo bia wo say wo de we professional na so within you no unime bia wo na so mo de ma anya professional da mama ye hu professionalism da muko gina one side na one side ne so nanye se mo ka no kuro mu di tro a kire Ghana fo asofo mo hwe ne ye na ma me pachew an kire Ghana fo a ma me pachew an kire Ghana fo a oman mo be ka ma oman ya bre amanfo be bre e bi se na Akufo Addo ni ba wo nya o mu su no edu Nyankopon anim empaibo bia na Akufo Addo bo se omo twetwe ne na asefo ni nyina no di amanyame no that vengeance is of the Lord no e be ye adwuma ebeye adwuma wo asofo ebeye adwuma politicians dey nim so omo de entro no won nam ya pa oku je to Ablakwa e na wote private jet bo we so be chemi ana we so ba be chemi ana ye tu yan kan anu ntumo we can never keep quiet ya be koso aka e na mo na mo hye wo no okujato e we say wo resign okujato e we say wo resign okujato you have to resign esa wo nya honorable da e je kwatena be ntro na okodi ye and tronkwa na okodi which is all ye trofo sankofo we scam scammers government we mu no mubu ban Ghana no the better na Ghana ye Bible say ye be say unya leader sabi onya papa ebetina akonya ne so a oman ne bre unya leader wonya papa ebetina akonya ne so oman ne bre oman na hyase e brehwe ye hyase afena say just 8 weeks into their events amamwo owo akoso bebre. Lack of knowledge, my people perish. Lack of knowledge. It's knowledge. Now that lack of knowledge in Ghana, feel be no more lacking, and then people are perishing in Ghana because of autono. I could be actually my NDC, and I be basa. Things fall apart. Things fall apart under this government because of him. When they buy Professor Jampo away, Captain Smanat away, Martin Pebo away. I saw for that mood digina muno away. I punches off way away. God is watching. Onyame hwemo. Man sachira madwen a onyame hwemo. Man sachira madwen a onyame hwemo. Na mo be wuwo bi a ebe tan. Because mo sachira madwen because na Akufo Addo ni ba womia. Omo ho te, omo ho afi. We kire say omo bu amamuo pa. Na Nyankopon na ema mo ba power say na ebe ya ntro na mo di ye nyina no. It will be exposed. And all the lies have been exposed. Asafurade in Shirankan, in Tontomunkan. Yada wasi na ise na Akufo Addo ni ba womia de ombe nyina che na ba womia beba I
sika di kokose chitire ho ani tire ho anfu bio afi bia du ni yi pie pe na ntakrabo a no bi adwane until now the conversation na could do say afi de enough is enough for us as a nation until ye nin komo ye ntenase ni ye nkasa ni nin komo sa ayi helicopter e ka ho asem say na no me catch you say me office me you see
okay
yeah me you see no be prenum
okay
the last time credit call voter near I just say it could have been anybody, could have happened to anybody. Yeah, government official when no near the idea could have happened to anybody. And she said we no idea a count minor general minor kuma. This is about the time we come to table and we talk. I'm penny for me disappointed about them. Honorable Sifua nkuntebu a wabu omukase wa muni ye na wa born wa nye ni ye you anka enye say okay honorable yes you see nyina ya tie ho as say the bad me bi no antwa ye until we don't have to go on that tangent here say be ko say beauty ye ni nkomo ni entena se ni hu say MC mire bi a na anye pepepa ye pa manfo chew o man pani da na da Akufo Addo ye pani chew anuti ye nya manenka na fe ye move forward ye hwe de bebo o man nyina that would have been better than some be ka se wa mu akontani ye no anye fine no see ono onim de o pese oka ana waka nti so bu akontani ye so mu akontani o magana fo ahu se
but wantumi so oba ye to anyina ho so anka se ane mampani asem na meka no
na say na me pese me kire o se ono na atwo na ade na wa modin ni de oni nti ebi beka say mampani no de no nti na ebe dan na oman mu asomfofo no so abeka say oh ene say na de omo so beka say na ye nso ye yi asema no
yeah obi a an opinion omo yi o masema no but omo yi o masema no ama mampani akwantu oh asema Kenya yo
akwantu we
asema Kenya yo mampani akwantu ho asem de yeke ah wo Japan ni Singapore ana
Sabi na me busa wo fases ekwasefo because wa modi but wa ya analysis actually to Japan and pan so president first stop Japan per communication e bae obedi say kwan so obedi say be costi and say baby a NCC so na omo problem ni say was the president of 27
enti ka oya
no it's not about the president
oya akonta no ana president to say 10 o'clock ana
minute time otu about person much say 10 no wa sorry them
until to 12 o'clock and oya akonta no free 12 o'clock ne ko sisi so ana say ko maje no atuma na what I'm saying is the age then can say whatever the cases emre du yes say you sichiri mu ne ka asem chese san ne ma ni nyina hu nhia
okay
sabre na no mu ye no omo wa ban mu no mu ye no hu nhia it is about time they come openly apologize to the people of Ghana, apologize to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now for yentenase ni hu asemi ba ye what you ask some Mrashebe speaker what you ask more kind around some kind na you have to rent
me okay and they mean
enough say bipartisan parties ni me no parliament no e betimi a strike na ye hu say enough is enough.
Good, and at what point in the Bekasa enough is enough no because Wakanda and just a Sunday president too quiet then a member of parliament ababe calculations way until we say at what point and then yes speaker futu no
at a point 1 year sadie no aben owo position omu year sadie no omu be hwe Ghana fo anim aka say ya nye ni ye pachew na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo president former president ya pacho ya nye ni into enough is enough.
Is that to say omo mo abai mo ameka say Nana Addo ye pacho sabre na yesi wodi wiem she dware wo wiem ni ade no a ene mo no I mean you the opposition mo be koso a ye ni say president tu ne to pe mo say wa han je to ni bo ye say yo say yo mo be koso a ye ni sa
say ya legitimize sa nkomodie no na amanfo gitum na nusunti no yebetimi abo aban ni tiri so abo president ni tiri so atwa na dapa ni ato abetia na you are inviting it you mahu kwan sa enti you see obi fum kuma obi fum ya
tit for tat
obi fum kuma obi fum ya I agree but then nia enti na me say sekan di yi kokose chitire ho e ma ni tiri ho anfu na fiduru ni eyi piepe na ntakrabo anyina edwane wo abemu a there's just a common thing we are then it will happen to wa abemu ni ade
so when in someone question man for egusa honorable Hon Sam Ablakwa foreign affairs minister we bet to actually wa adwene amame e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block media akra